Hi everyone! I wanted to share this super fun marble run building set that my son got for his birthday. It comes with 215 pieces and 40 marbles, and it's been a total hit in our house. After my son and I built a few of the smaller sets together, we went for the big one, and it was so fun seeing his excitement as he helped me figure out how all the pieces fit together. It's such a fun way to get kids thinking about engineering and science while they play. Once it was all built, he couldn't wait to drop the marbles and watch them race down all of the different paths. I love how durable and high quality all of the pieces are. Everything fits together securely, so it's not frustrating for little hands. And because it's a screen-free activity, it's a great way to get my son engaged in hands-on learning without any electronics. He's been playing with it nonstop, racing the marbles and having a blast. He's even creating his own towers, which is fun to watch as he figures out what will work. There are so many ways to arrange the pieces, so every run can be a little different. It really keeps things interesting and challenging. If you're looking for a gift that's fun, educational, and keeps kids busy for hours, this is definitely one I would recommend. It's creative, hands-on, and perfect for kids who love building, experimenting, and watching things come to life.